My name is Rusty Vasquez, and I'm the Human Resource Manager here at Western Carolina Rescue Ministries. I've been with the ministry for about 14 years, and I came in as a Human Resource Manager, but over the 14 years, I've done various things. I have run our women's shelter, I've been the volunteer and events coordinator, I've processed donations, whatever's necessary that the ministry needs, that's what I've done. How I got here is a very interesting story. My husband and I used to volunteer at the Hendersonville Rescue Mission many, many years ago. And at that point I was like, man, it'd be so cool to work for a rescue mission. It'd just be really neat to do that. Well, I was working in the secular environment as a human resource manager, and my mentor was also a human resource manager, and she moved on to another position as she heard about the position here at the rescue mission that they needed a human resource manager. And so she recommended me, and I came in for the interview, and I fell in love with the people, they fell in love with me, and this is where God's led me here. And so that's how it started as a human resource manager. And as I said, it's continually morphed from that into other things. I absolutely love being here, and I think my most favorite part of the rescue mission and the ministries that are taking place here is to see the change in people's lives, to actually see their faces when they have been loved unconditionally. Because people don't know what it means to be loved unconditionally, no matter what they've done, no matter what they look like, no matter how they smell. It doesn't matter. We love unconditionally. And when people see that, the countenance on their face, and when they receive that, is the biggest blessing I could ever receive at any time.